In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a spokesperson video using Synthesia. You'll learn how to plan, write, generate, and polish your video so it looks professional, feels natural, and engages your audience. By the end, you'll be able to create your own videos without hiring anyone. Step 1. Plan your video. Before you even open Synthesia, you need to know what you want to say and why. Think about your audience. In our example, we'll use an online course about personal finance. The audience might be beginners who feel overwhelmed with money management. Your video needs to show them that your course is simple, clear, and practical. Decide the main message. In this case, it could be, I will help you take control of your money and start saving without stress. Keep it short, focused, and meaningful. Don't try to cover everything in one video. One clear message is more effective than a list of 10 vague points. Step 2. Write the script. Your script is the foundation of your video. Start by writing as if you're speaking directly to a friend. Keep sentences short and conversational. Begin with a hook. For example, you could start with, I launched my first online course and I was worried it would feel unprofessional. Here's how I fixed that without hiring anyone. That immediately creates a connection. Avoid technical jargon or complicated words. Every sentence should be easy to read aloud and easy for your audience to understand. Next, structure your script. Divide it into 3 parts: introduction, explanation, and call to action. In the introduction, greet the viewer and set expectations. In the explanation, provide the key points you want to teach. Use concrete examples, not vague statements. For instance, instead of, this course teaches budgeting, say, by the end of this course, you'll know how to set up a monthly budget, track your spending, and save for the things that matter to you. In the call to action, tell viewers exactly what you want them to do, such as, click the link below to enroll and start managing your money today. As you write, pay attention to pacing. Break long sentences into 2 or 3 shorter ones. This helps the avatar sound natural and prevents it from rushing. Use transitional phrases like first, next, and finally to guide viewers through your points. Read your script aloud as you write. Hearing it out loud helps you spot awkward phrasing, tongue twisters, or sentences that feel unnatural. Adjust until it flows smoothly. Step 3. Prepare the visuals. While the script is super important, you need to pay an equal amount of attention to your visuals. Decide which screens, images, or charts will appear alongside the avatar. For our course example, a screenshot of a sample budget template or a chart showing how to save monthly can help viewers visualize the lesson. Keep visuals simple. Avoid cluttered slides or too much text. The avatar should remain the focal point, with visuals enhancing the message rather than competing with it. Step 4. Choose your avatar. Log into Synthesia and click Create New Video. The platform offers over 230 avatars, each with realistic expressions and gestures. For our finance course example, let's select an avatar who looks approachable and professional. You want someone who conveys trust but feels friendly. The latest Synthesia avatars have natural facial expressions, head movements, and eye contact patterns that make them look lifelike. Step 5. Select a voice. Synthesia provides natural-sounding voices in more than 140 languages. Choose a voice that fits your audience and the tone of your video. For beginners, a calm, friendly voice works best. Adjust the accent if you need to. You can also tweak the style to make it more conversational or slightly energetic, depending on your content. Step 6. Input your script. Copy your finalized script into Synthesia's text field. Pay attention to line breaks. Each line break represents a slight pause in speech. Use them to control pacing and emphasize points. For example, separate sentences where you want the avatar to pause slightly for impact. Managing money doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a degree. You just need the right steps. Small adjustments like this make the delivery feel human. Step 7. Preview your video. Click Preview to see how the avatar reads your script. Watch the facial expressions, gestures, and lip sync. Listen to the pacing. If a sentence sounds rushed, break it into 2 shorter sentences. If something sounds awkward, rewrite it. This step might take a few rounds. Don't rush it. Each adjustment brings your video closer to feeling professional. Step 8. Refine visuals. Now it's time to add the extras, such as branding elements like logos, brand colors, or fonts, to make the video consistent with your course or business. For our finance course example, we could upload a logo and set a navy blue background with white text for headings. If you're showing screenshots or charts, position them strategically. For example, place a budget template image on one side while the avatar speaks on the other. This balance makes sure that the viewer can follow both the visual and spoken content comfortably. Step 9. Add subtitles. subtitles. Many viewers watch videos on mute, and subtitles also help non-native speakers. Synthesia generates subtitles automatically, but review them line by line. Adjust timing, spelling, or phrasing so they perfectly match your script. This makes your video more accessible and professional. Step 10. Generate the final video. Once everything looks right, click Generate. The system will produce a high-definition video. Depending on the length, it might take a few minutes. While you're waiting, I recommend reviewing your plan for how you'll publish and share the video, whether on a website, social media, or email campaign. Step 11. Review the final video. Watch your video from start to finish. Pay attention to flow, clarity, and engagement. Make sure the avatar's expressions match the tone. Look for any mispronunciations or awkward pauses. This is your chance to catch anything before the next step. Step 12. Publish your video. Decide where your video will have the most impact. Use it on landing pages to immediately build trust. Embed it in emails to increase clicks, post it on social media to stand out, and place it inside your course to guide students. Each placement serves a purpose and maximizes the value of your video. And it's down to you to do the research and decide what will work best for your niche. Step 13. Track feedback and scale. After publishing, pay attention to engagement metrics like watch time, comments, and shares. These insights help you improve future videos. To speed up and systemize the process so that it's repeatable, I recommend creating a library. Save your projects, avatars, scripts, and branding templates. Over time, this allows you to quickly produce new videos with a consistent look and tone. As you create more videos, you'll get faster and more confident. Experiment with script phrasing, visuals, and avatars. Learn which combinations get the best engagement. Over time, you'll produce professional videos efficiently and consistently. Extra tips. One of the strengths of Synthesia is how easy it is to make updates. If your course changes, simply open the project, edit the script, and regenerate the video. You don't need to reshoot. The avatar remains consistent, which builds trust with your audience. This is especially useful if you release regular updates or new modules. You can create multiple videos from the same base. For example, try 2 versions with different avatars or voices and see which one works better. This experimentation helps you understand what connects most with your audience. Speaking of connecting with your audience, Synthesia offers some great tools for accessibility and translation. If you want to reach a wider audience, translate your script into other languages. Synthesia can generate the video in Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any supported language. The lip sync remains accurate, and the delivery feels natural. This makes it possible to scale globally without extra filming or hiring multiple actors. I also strongly recommend planning length and pacing. Keep introductory videos short, around 1 to 2 minutes. For more detailed explanations, 3 to 5 minutes is ideal. Longer topics should be broken into short chapters. For our example course, we could make one video introducing the course, another explaining budgeting, and a third showing how to save. Each video should stand alone, but also be built as part of a series. You can also easily create videos for support or FAQs. For example, you can make short videos answering common questions like logging in, resetting passwords, or navigating your course platform. Students prefer visual explanations to long text instructions, and these videos save you time answering repetitive questions. The most important thing is to make your avatar videos feel as natural as possible. While the avatar does the speaking, your script should still be written as if you were talking naturally. Include pauses, emphasize key points, and add relatable examples. For example, instead of saying, "Students will understand budgeting," say, "You'll learn how to set up a simple budget, track your spending, and save for the things you care about." The avatar will deliver it smoothly, but the clarity comes from your writing. Following these steps and tips, you can create polished, engaging spokesperson videos without hiring anyone. You can update them, translate them, and use them in multiple ways. Everything is handled from your computer, giving you professional results in a fraction of the time it would take traditionally. You don't need to hire a team to make an incredible video that looks like you hired a team. It's about knowing how to plan, write, and use the right tools. Now you know how to do it, and you can start creating your own videos today. What would you create spokesperson videos for? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.